Hi. Today we're going to make a broccoli cream soup. For this we'll need, of course, more than just broccoli. There will be a few ingredients. In particular, there will be potatoes. We'll use 4 or 5 medium potatoes, 1 small-sized onion, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, depending on their size, and somewhere around 500 grams of broccoli. We're going to boil all this in water, which is already boiling. There's about 700 milliliters of water here. How do we do this? To start, we cut the potatoes into small cubes, quite finely. We drop the chopped potatoes into the pot of boiling water. Why cut them smaller? To ensure they cook faster. Meanwhile, let's work on the broccoli. We're preparing these little pieces without any unnecessary parts. So we break our broccoli branches down into these little guys. Broccoli is chopped, also quite finely. The second reason why we cut both the potatoes and the broccoli finely is the fact that we will blend everything later, so to make it easier we cut them pretty small. The potatoes are already boiling, because into the boiling water, basically, we dropped them. Now the broccoli goes in here too. It won't look very good, as if there isn't enough water, but that is completely fine. That's normal. And I forgot to mention, you saw the carrots, right? But I didn't say anything about them. It's just from frozen veggies. 100 to 150 grams of carrots. We also put them right into the pot with the broccoli. Now we'll add some salt. About a teaspoon of salt will go into this pot. We'll stir it and leave it until fully cooked. While our main ingredients are cooking, we're moving right along. Let's prepare the sauté. For this, take a skillet. We'll fry the onion and garlic in butter. Chop the onion, the garlic. To save your time, I didn't film how this is done. Well, just chop the onion like you would for a sauté. Take some butter, a small piece. Put it in the skillet. And lightly fry this onion and garlic in the butter. Alright, the onion fries for literally, I don't know, maybe a minute. I mean, we aren't exactly frying it, just sautéing it, so the onion becomes kind of slightly translucent. And that's enough, just like now. See, it's taking on this kind of color a little bit. Well, maybe just a little bit more, and that's it. We send it all into the pot. Our vegetables are ready. How do you check if veggies are ready? Very simple, they should be nice and soft. Go through so easily, like through butter. We transfer our onion and garlic into the pot. Alright, done. Everything will be blended together anyway, so we don't need to try too hard. And we add our final ingredient, that is 30% cream, around 150 to 200 grams. 150 to 200. And that's it. Now we just blend the soup with a blender. Blend it. I'll pause the process a little bit. I'll just say that we blend it long enough until it reaches a completely uniform consistency. Alright, done. The soup is ready. The cream soup is blended to the right consistency. Now for the final touch. Let's make some croutons for it. This is very easy to do. You can even do it without an oven. Take a couple pieces of baguette, cut them into cubes like this, and put them in the pan, where we fried the onions and garlic with the leftover oil. We'll just dry this bread a little, and it will turn into croutons. This bread starts to burn quickly, so you need to constantly stir it. As you can see, it takes on such a golden, toasted color. Basically, a couple of minutes and our croutons are ready. It is safe to say, they are already done. That's it. The croutons are completely ready. Let's pour the soup into a bowl and see what it will look like. This is the kind of soup we get. It looks, well, you could say different things about how it looks. In my opinion, it is pretty. You be the judge. Some croutons. And some greens. That is it, our cream soup is ready. Try doing it like this. Write in the comments how it turned out for you, whether you liked it or not. And I ask you to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Bye.